So have you ever tried to get your remote control, your clicker, or your car key programmed? The Toyota dealer told me it would cost $235 yesterday to program a new remote and a key. And I called a locksmith and he said it would be about $150 to program it. It's a ripoff and it's frustrating. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY. I'm Mike. For about the last 18 months, I've been thinking and working on a way to program a key and a remote control for Toyota vehicles on your own. So I'm really excited that I'm about to launch a product that'll allow you to do this on your own and save a lot of money over dealers and locksmiths. Visit my website, GetKeys.Info. Enter your vehicle information and your email address. I'll be looking at where the interest is for this product to make sure I focus in those areas to launch it first. Let me show you how to use this to program a key, and then be sure to check out my other video where I'll show the programming of the remote. Alright, so now that we're in the car, let me first demonstrate with this new key that doesn't work. It's uncut, right? Hasn't been cut at all. So it won't even turn the lock. Okay, now I'm going to take my good key. I gotta make sure all my doors are open. You can see on the dashboard the light showing that all doors are open. I gotta make sure all my doors are closed. They're all closed now. The next thing I gotta look for is the blinking security light. And you can see that blinking in the video right now. Right there, where it's blinking. All right, so I've got my prototype. You can see my not very nice handwriting. And on it, I've got a key and a remote setting. So I'm turning it to the key setting up here. If you look close, your ignition has lock, ACC, on, and start. We need to turn it to on. Do not turn it to start. Okay, now for the magic of this device, make sure it's on the key setting here. Plug it into the car computer down below. You may not know your car has a computer down here by the gas and brake pedal where we can plug this thing into. Come look down under here, and we should see something that looks kind of like this, and the device will fit right into it. Only fits on one way. Plug it in, listen for it to beep. As you plug it in down here, it's going to beep a couple times. That's going to let you know it's communicating. Now I want you to watch the security light. Okay, the security light is currently turned off. It's going to turn on and give an extended beep. Okay, now listen for the extended beep. There it is. Now we're going to watch for the security light to turn on. All right, the security light has turned on. Now it's ready to program the new key. So we're going to remove the existing key. Took my blank, I'm going to insert it. Now we just watch this security light. It's going to blink. It's going to blink for a little while. I didn't get this started in time. Can you see that? You can see it's still blinking. Now this could take as long as 90 seconds. When it stops blinking, the key is programmed. Okay, looks like it took around 50 to 55 seconds. It stopped blinking. So this key is programmed. All right, now we're going to take this thing out. We saw the security light starts blinking again. Once you're all done, be sure you unplug this. Don't leave it in there and forget about it. All right, so it's a few days later. I took this key that we programmed to a locksmith. They cut it for just under $5, and it starts the vehicle. I love it. So that saves a ton of money, being able to program these keys yourself. So be sure to check out both my videos that show how to program the remote as well as the key using this device. I'm really excited to launch this product. It'll be coming out soon. Visit my website, GetKeys.Info. Enter your email address as well as your vehicle information so you get notified when it's available. If it's already available, go to the website, you'll be able to purchase it. And then I'll send you the products, and you'll be able to program your Toyota remote and key, and do it yourself and save a bunch of money in the process. Have a great day.